Guys, please.
You can seriously hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you from here. I got ears. Oh yeah, that's gonna help. He just turns his chair around, like that's gonna help. I am Michael Gattuso. I'm the leader of the Real Treasure Hunters.
I'm the voice of reason.
I'm always right.
He's always wrong.
I did not know what I was marrying into.
I like sharp objects.
I totally forgot to tell you that I am a 2-time published author. Like legit.
2 times.
And
It was the same article, but it's still
it was.
2 times.
Mike and I became business partners, and we owned our own repossession company for many years. Stealing for a living, baby.
And now you're stealing treasure.
Yeah, if someone can ever show me where it is.
This is supposed to be one of the most fucking haunted houses.
That's what
They
she
said
told me.
the ghost hunters that came here left their equipment in the house. That's how fucking scared they were, and they took off.
Like
Who
this-
did?
It's ghost hunters. Yeah, ghost hunters.
They actually ghost hunted this place?
Gene, the guy who told us about this treasure, that was good friends with him, went in the house, and the guy's an 80-year-old guy. He went running out of there. He says, "I'll never step foot in that house
You
again."
think it shows a gas bar in there?
It's probably Tom Howard guarding his treasure.
So what's the story with Tom Howard for the fans?
He's passed away. He actually found this treasure. We're
Peace
guessing
River?
on Peace River. We believe around 2008 to 2010 is when he found it. And he was basically he went out fishing, and he had to go to the bathroom,
Right.
and he didn't want to do it on the boat, so he went on the shoreline, got out, went to sit down and sat on an anchor.
Wow.
And as he said,
Just by chance.
next to the anchor, there was a shallow hole like I saw here.
Yeah.
He starts digging away, finds the treasure. Took him 6 different trips to get it all, and supposedly it's out here in 6 different locations.
Wow.
Now, I don't know if it's pirate gold. We don't know if it's Confederate gold until we crack it open. From my understanding, there are gold fingers, there's gold coins.
So gold fingers are typically, aren't they associated with pirates? Because they're
Not
sort of
necess-
smelted, like in a, they're not like perfect,
Well, supposedly they used to use bamboo sticks and pour the gold in it to melt it.
Right? Okay.
But I don't know if it's ore gold or if it's actual gold bars until we
Episode
pull out of the
2,
ground.
guys got to keep watching.
But we have, so the whole thing is there's one right there, I think where that barrel is.
Yeah.
You know, another one here by the tree that's right up here in front of the house, we were told. And there's supposed to be 4 other ones along the fence line.
Mike was just giving us some feedback on, was it Tom Howard or Fred Howard? Or
Tom Howard.
He was having this on the Peace River and
Yes.
stumbled upon it.
Yes, that's what they
And
say.
He used to live here.
Yeah, he used to live here. I call it severely haunted, they say.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. So we'll have to do another video.
Yeah, it's supposed to be very haunted, and ironically, these properties ended up switching ownership over the last 2 weeks to an investment company.
What? That's weird.
Yeah, it's very weird. So it makes me wonder if maybe the old owner walked into this house, because there's people who won't walk into this house.
Oh, you mean he got scared and said
Yeah,
no way?
yeah, and said no way, Jose, and I want my money and I'm out.
Wow.
Mhm. Yeah.
Wow. That's giving Tangela loves that.
I
That's
do.
music to your ears, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Absolutely.
Wow. We have to come back and do another ghost investigation here, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
So you think
Yeah.
spirits could be guarding the treasure this whole time?
Maybe,
Or,
or it's Tom.
Tom, right?
Tom. Yeah, it could be Tom.
So
That's what I
he
think.
just found it, was like, I'm going to bury it in my yard type of thing?
I
And it's been here the
guess.
whole time?
Yeah.
We'll know soon enough, right?
Yeah, we'll know. We will know. But if what's there is what we think is there, this is going to be in the top 10 treasures of Florida. Yeah.
Sweet. And the real treasure hunters are the ones,
Yes.
after years of research,
Yes.
led you guys to this place, right? This
Heck
location.
yeah. Yes, it
You've been
did.
out on the Peace River, you've looked for it yourself, you've been,
Yeah.
I mean, how many numerous trips, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Out into the swamps and jungles,
Yep.
and has led to this
Yes.
location.
Yes,
So,
it has.
Of all places.
Yep. So we'll see what happens, but
Yeah. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, you guys.
All right.
That one right there, and then there's that one right there. That
Fuck.
one's actually the back of the lot here. So
And you is this where you stopped? Did you go all the way
No,
back?
we went all the way back.
So
You cool with filming?
Yeah, it's fine. And then right there is the middle one, halfway back through this lot. This lot's only 125 deep.
Yeah.
And then the final one is back here, almost to the
now,
big
can I ask you a
boat.
question?
Yeah.
So did you measure from the corner all the way down per lot?
Yeah, yeah. That goes from the front corner. 150 is to
No,
those
no, I'm talking from that corner.
from over this way. No, we
Like,
haven't.
how'd you get this particular width right here?
From all the corners out in this neighborhood here, because that's how the plat reads. When you're coming from this way, you come in like this. Yeah. Because these like this road right here, I don't even think is on that plat that we have
No,
right now.
it's not. It's
Good-
still,
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
the reason I'm bringing that up is because on the GIS it showed it bumped up against the house.
Yeah, those GIS lines you really can't go by.
So-
It all depends on what area you're in, because sometimes they're shifted. Typically, you can kind of see that by looking at different things, because we'll be crossing buildings all over the map if it's off a little bit on that section of the map.
Okay.
Because even I'm from Lee County, so the LIPA
Yeah.
lines we use up, or that's what we call our GIS, but they shift too. So sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not good. So it's hard to use them, but
Right. So
right there's the middle one, this is the back one, and then there's one on the other side of this old fence right here. So this fence is kind of right on the line.
Wow, this goes all the way back.
Yeah, and then if you stand in line with these two, you can see how it's almost going right in line with these utilities down this other road that is eventually should come right through here. So
is this the back of the property, and then we have from here to that fence
yeah,
is the other.
this is another right of way back
easement,
here.
right?
Yep, that goes this way.
That goes-
And then there's this school thing back here.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
perfect,
Cool.
love.
Yep.
Thank you.
I just needed more on that side. I might have a little issue.
Well, we could always dig. They'll come out.
And I'll have to discuss this with Aaron because
Well, my advice.
and you don't know about any other easements on top of the right of way, right?
No, there would typically be something attached to the deed if there was something that had been changed since they made the plat.
And how wide did you say this was?
40 foot.
40 feet.
No more than
Sit on
40
the
feet.
flat.
Yep.
See, the county had told us 60 feet.
So then that will run this way. Let me ask you, is it an exact straight line or is it kind of curved?
Well, it all depends on what you're trying to line it up with. Yeah, this isn't a perfectly straight line between
see
all these
that.
stakes. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I did that with the GPS, so that's as straight as it can be. It's when you're trying to compare it with the roads that they've put in over the years and stuff. Sometimes they don't always look straight with each other, but yeah, for the most part, those are for sure in a straight line, within one tenth of a foot. Yeah.
Jeez, I fucking don't remember. I don't even see where it would be. Alright, I'm gonna be up front with you now. Obviously, you see my shirt.
Oh, okay.
There's a treasure here.
Oh, cool.
We believe it might be Confederate. We don't know. But
This is a really old area, so I wouldn't be surprised.
Yeah.
well, the guy that lived in his house actually found it.
Oh no shit.
Yeah.
He's passed away. His friends knew about it. And I'm kind of trying to look to remember where the hell I dug last time. And I don't even. The grass must have grown right over it.
Oh, it could have. I mean, it's been quite a
I
while.
don't remember where the fuck it was.
Yeah. Well, you can tell this is a really old house back here, so.
Yeah.
Well, see, the thing is, I
Yeah.
really needed to butt up against the house.
Possibly.
But we found a revision that hopefully we can attach to this to get that easement from them. Because if we can get an extra 5 feet, it might put us there. But fuck, I was going to say it was by that trash can, but now I remember we were lined up right here.
Well, sometimes if you talk to the municipalities, they will sometimes allow you to dissolve these old right-of-ways where you and your neighbor can work together and take halves. They don't always want to do that, but sometimes they will if they see that this road's never going to get put in.
Yeah.
But
they can.
yeah, I mean that's something you'd have to talk to them about.
Yeah.
Damn,
Yeah.
damn,
Because we've had people do that in the
damn.
past. But, and then we'd come back and stake in between, and then that would be the new lot
that would be the
size.
new
Yeah,
lot
you'd
line.
basically gain that
can't
half of a right away.
Well, for one thing, I don't even notice where the hole was that we were digging.
Sure wasn't like right there where all that.
Because what's weird is when I got out of the truck last time, I could see where the hole was. And what's weird is I can't see it now. So this is when I came the first time and we pulled up. Just by looking, I could see that there was a shallow hole in the ground, and I went straight to it. And it's almost like,
Could you use your GPR?
I don't know if the grass grew. I mean, we haven't been here in like 2 or 3 months,
Yeah.
so I don't know if the grass grew over it, or I don't know if where the trash can is, if that's the actual spot.
But you hit 100% gold here.
Yeah, 100% gold. Now, my only other thing too is where the line falls was different, where it showed where the line fell on the map. So now we're actually kind of lost 10 feet, which, if it's where this barrel is, I mean, we'll still have
We're still in legal.
we might still be on it. I mean, we might have to dig down and over. That's if that's there, but that's weird. It's like I don't. It's like it's fucking gone.
You have your GPR with you?
Yeah, I brought it.
Want to do it real quick?
We'll do
Or
it
you don't
one
want-
bit after they- Do you have any other questions for the surveyors before, you know?
You went all the way back. You went all the way
Yeah,
to the right.
he did. And look
Okay.
how far it goes over on that side too. You see how?
Oh, I didn't even check that side.
Yeah, look
Because
at
there's
that
another
side.
treasure up here.
Yeah, look how far it goes on that side. The right.
Oh, my man.
We got Ray here.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, how you doing, Mike?
Who it is? Woohoo! Good to see you, brother.
Good to see you.
Holy shit. How
Yeah.
you doing? All right?
I'm doing all
Thanks a
right.
lot.
Yeah.
Damn, good to see you. Up and
Doing good.
around. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
you doing good?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is pretty exciting, ain't it?
Yeah. Hell yeah, bro.
I know it is.
You're a real damn pirate now, bro.
Yeah, I am. Oh yeah.
No shit.
I
Yeah. This guy's the real deal.
That's right.
Holy shit. You're bionic, bro.
Yeah. Robot leg. That's what my grandson
Right
calls
on,
it.
right on. Yeah, this is exciting.
Yeah, Mike's done it all right this time.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
getting the
He's
city
talked to-
involved and all that.
Yeah, he's talked to everybody. Yeah.
Cool.
That's
Cool.
how salvage works.
That's right.
Yeah. If you want something, somebody says it stirs, well, you got to fight for it.
That's right. Could be right here, right?
Especially when he's got so much research and everything in all this.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. It's a decade of research that Mike's got down on this.
Been a long time, right?
It's been a long time. Yeah.
Sweet. You think it's Confederate or pirate? Hard to say at this point, right?
Well, it don't matter. It's all Jose Gaspar.
You think so?
Yeah, he was both.
Really?
He was in the military.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you think it's related to Jose Gaspar?
Absolutely.
Really?
Yeah.
That'd be amazing.
Yeah, the stories that came around, absolutely.
Wow. Be able to put some of that legend to bed then.
I hope so. It'll open a lot of doors.
Yeah.
And give a whole set of keys to open up a whole lot of doors.
Exciting times.
It is.